Oh yeah.
We're very lucky this morning.
And also some firefly, some green fly. Oh, what's the green fly? Do you see the green fly?
It's a pointer, sir.
Oh, it's a pointer. Someone has a pointer. Oh.
Yeah.
Pointer from other book.
I thought it was some insect.
Are we going to eat the tamilok here?
Actually, ma'am, no, we cannot gather that tamilok because it's very difficult to gather that because we need an axe. You want that fallen tree? There are some holes. We can show you only how. The house.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, maybe later you can taste that or you can eat that tamilok po in the restaurant. Maybe later po you will take your lunch. You can taste it in the restaurant po. Yeah, because we need 1 hour before we can gather that because it's a very hard kind of wood, so it's very difficult to cut the wood. And also we need an axe. So some of the restaurant outside, they will serve that tamilok. That is from other barangay, not in this area. Protected area.
And I saw on YouTube that they make a canoe out of wood.
Yes, yeah,
And
that's
then when they make the canoe, they also eat the worms.
yes, that is a tamilok. Actually, that kind of food, sir, ma'am, is
It's like cotton tree.
it's really look like a worm, but that one is a family of mollusks.
Family of what?
Mollusks, family of oysters.
Oh really?
Yes,
And
it's
they
a
look like worms.
Yeah, it's not really a worm. The shape of their body is look like a worm, but that is a kind of shell.
Ah.
Yeah, it's not really a worm. By the way, this is already our turning area.
So what's beyond that point?
Still a river, but on the other side of the river is already narrow and shallow river.
Oh, so you don't go that far.
Yeah, no. Yeah, but you know the source of the water is from the mountain.
Okay.
Yeah, and also this river is not connected to the underground river. So the underground river, the source of water is different.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the underground river, the source is from Kabayugan River. This one is only here in Sabang River.
Okay.
But you know the water here in underground river are the same brackish water.
All right.
Brackish water, yeah.
Yes, brackish water. You know that kind of food, the delicacy of Palawan, tamilok or woodworm, the specialty of that here in Palawan, we can eat that raw. Yeah, we put some lemon or vinegar and we can eat it. You know,
But
according
it's
to
not a worm, it's oyster.
yeah, actually that kind of food, sir, once we remove it from the wood, it's already dead. We cannot see that alive. Yeah, so we can eat that fresh or that's already. It's not moving. You're thinking you eat alive, it's moving in your stomach. According to the nutritionist study about tamilok